What's up, guys? Bama Boy 23 here. Just gonna show you a little bit of what's going on here during Hurricane Isaac. It's getting really bad here, but not so bad. We ain't had no trees go down or nothing like that yet, which is, I'm really glad about that. But yeah, it's just raining hard here and getting real windy now. Supposed to be towards the end of the hurricane, but looks like it's gonna go on for a while. But just figured I'd give you an update what the hell is going on. And I just heard something snap. We had a shitload of limbs go down, but no trees yet. But anyway, guys, hope you liked the video of what's going on here, and hit like, subscribe, comment. They're all welcome. Thanks for watching, guys.